Was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Is that the new rule now? I'm objecting. We're violating our own rules. Has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
The answer there is that in accordance with Section 19, this is the same. They continue to function. I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, you do not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that we don't have any miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, because right now that's irrelevant.
Does it mean that we are now disregarding the committees of the Senate? The committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution, refer to it in plenary, and then just it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President, Madam President?
There's no new rule. I read the rule. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start whether we want to give it to the committee or not.
I'd like to invite the attention of the body to Journal number 62, dated May 11, 2026. While expressing no objection to the proposal, Senate President Cayetano A. suggested giving the Committee on Rules time to discuss the matter. Now my question is, was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Apparently, there was none, because it's now being reported out by the acting majority leader without consultation with any of the members. And by the way, Madam President, wala pang Committee on Rules eh. Evidently, Madam President, action was taken. And the action was to refer it to the Committee on Rules since the position of Majority Floor Leader was vacated. So how can the committee properly function in the absence of a committee? Walang members ang Committee on Rules. So we cannot invoke continuity because it vacated. All committees, all positions, including the members. And may I invite you to Section 24 of our rules, Madam President. The committees shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. So the committees shall hold, including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report. So we're violating our own rules.
Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules. It's a very simple amendment. So we should go to the discussion of the amendment if anyone is objecting to the amendment. You already ruled that it is proper for the plenary to take it up. So may I request or move that we, if there are any objection, we discuss their objection.
I'm objecting. That's the effect of my manifestation, Madam President. I'm objecting because I'm invoking Section 24 of our rules.
Then, Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue of whether or not the rule is good.
We will have to support that resolution or thinking of Senator Lacson, which is we did not constitute the Committee on Rules. So what are we discussing right now? I suggest that we constitute the Committee on Rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader eh. Hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio eh. Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Where in the rules does it say that an amendment has to pass the Committee on Rules?
Section 24, Madam President.
Anong sabi po sa Section 24?
The committee shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. The invocation of the Senate President of Rule 136 is premised on the assumption that there was no action taken. But we took action. We referred it to the Committee on Rules. So Section 24 now applies. You cannot just ram down our throat something that numbers can dictate.